front of it, so if you step away for a couple of minutes, the blower should kick off. The biggest moving part of the fume hood is the sash. So this is what you're going to be mainly interfacing with. We do have a sash stop right here, set at 18 inches. So that's going to be your operating height. Whenever you're working in the hood, this is the safest height to be working at because it's going to suck the optimal amount of air into the hood to evacuate any contaminants. If you need to load anything large into the hood, you'll just flip the stop open. So you can see it just kind of flips up. And you can raise the sash to the maximum height. You can put anything in. When you're loading the hood, you want to avoid placing items too close to the front and too close to the back. This is all like really specifically designed to move the airflow in a very certain way. So
Approximately how much is too close?
I would say like 3 inches. 3 inches front and back. I would give some room. So you can see right here, this is the front airfoil on the bottom. This sucks in air actually from the bottom and evacuates it from the holes. And then back here are your rear baffles. So those are the things you really want to avoid covering up. This is what's actually shaping the air going into the hood.
Was that an air movement warning that went on?
Yeah, so yeah, when we raise it up all the way to the maximum, you can see the FPM will drop significantly. So that's why you want to operate it at the optimum height.
Yeah.
Back down, go back up. If you need to evacuate the hood really quickly, let's say you had something spill or there's a lot of fumes in there that you need to get out quickly, you can see as I lower it, the FPM will raise. So lowering it's going to shoot air through the fastest.
Okay.
But 18 inches is the typical operating height. I guess on the fixtures. Any questions so far? Cool. So this hood has 2 pass-throughs. So these will allow you to run cords or hoses, whatever you need, through from the outside into the inside. There's one on each side. Looks like we have just the light switch on this one. So like I said, there's typically a blower switch here, which is what that says. But we have the automatic sensor that will turn it on and off. Light, very self-explanatory. Just flip that, turns on. And then your fixtures, looks like 2 nitrogen on this specific one. There might be different ones with different hoods. Very self-explanatory. Just turn it, and then we'll turn the nitrogen on. I know you said you're not maintenance, but if they ever need to access the valves for these fixtures, that's what these gaskets right here are for. So these will actually, this right here will just pop right out, and then any maintenance you need to do on the fixtures themselves will just be right inside the hood. Looks like that's about it for this one. Any questions on any of that?
No.
Okay. This one is equipped with what we call these monkey bars. That's just a distillation rack. It does have 2 flammable cabinets. These are obviously designed for any solvents. Anything flammable will go in there. That's about fitted for the hood.
Cool.
Really not super complex, but
Nope.
these are fitted by the HVAC vendor, so they're HVAC contractor. So if you have any questions on those, that would be me to reach out to. We didn't personally provide those. Like the whole control system or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the hood.
Okay, sounds good. I want to check the other hoods to see what's different.
Yep. So this one.
Yeah, I think this one has. So that is basically the same.
Yeah,
right?
same mechanism, just different fixtures. This one does have water in the back, so you can see this pump sink right there.
Yes.
There's a little strainer at the bottom of that pump sink. It's like that big. If it ever gets clogged or anything, it out there and stuff under the sink. That's really good.
Yep.
Wait.
It's the same on the back side?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one was really simple. Actually, I just kind of telescope into place. Place them like, let's say, 5 inches above whatever you're working with. The only thing to really know right here is the baffling. So you flip it on in here.
Yeah.
So we're sucking it now, and then if you flip that, it'll stop it.
Okay. Can I?
Yep. Essentially, the idea is you just place it right above whatever you're working with.
Yeah.
Is this better than Evans?
Just a little bit. Just a little.
Just check. When there's a little.
I'm
little
gonna miss the
difference.
second floor. I'm pretty sure there's a few ghosts
But
on that floor.
there's a floor in a building where you could have just gone in and shot a horror movie. without
Yeah.
doing
Absolutely.
anything
I
to-
think there's like.
Is Evans
one
across from
sink or
Celeste?
something. Yeah.
Yeah, so I've been in Evans, yep. So we actually did Celeste as well. So that's
Okay.
where the job site office was, and every time I walk in there, I'm like, this is crazy.
It is so creepy.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah. I think that one's, I've heard it's on the plans to be renovated, but I'm not sure.
It's gonna get torn down.
Torn down,
It's gonna
okay.
get ripped down.
Yeah.
And it was gonna rip down before we moved into the town.
Yeah, fair enough.
And they're like, here, here's
Yeah.
a haunted lab for you.
Yeah,
It's been fun. Cool. Is that it? Is there anything else?
I mean, if you want to talk about the casework or anything like that, casework is very self-explanatory. Sinks
Yeah.
during shows, I guess, is one we can talk about. So, just an eye wash, covers flip up and down to protect from dust. If you ever need to wash something off, which pulls out. Get really self-explanatory. Just
Just
pull
squeeze
it in.
it.
Yep,
Yep.
squeeze it.
Oh, this is cool. I just noticed a little drain there.
All I see.
Do you know anything about I think those are eye wash stations underneath
Yeah.
the shower? Those are new.
I've never used one.
Yeah, I've never seen it like this.
I actually know what activates it.
Yeah, stand back.
I can send you a cut sheet and or video. I don't know if you have a video on those, but
Okay.
Yeah, that should be more evident, like,
Yeah, I
when you're
know.
doing it.
Yes.
There's no signage here.
sometimes
Yeah.
there is.
There should be.
Yeah.
There will be.
Okay.
Because some of them they'll turn on right when you pull them down. So yeah, I'll get our exact model number we used on this one. And send you the
Okay.
instructions.
Sounds good.
Yeah, Sarah can arrange, like, we're going to be, like, so we printed and laminated signage, because some